Have you ever noticed tiny specks or strands that seem to drift across your field of vision? These mysterious little shapes, often described as cobwebs, squiggly lines, or little dots, are called eye floaters. They appear to dart away when you try to focus on them, adding to their elusive nature. Floaters can be a bit distracting, but understanding what causes them can put your mind at ease. Floaters aren't actually objects floating in front of your eyes. They might seem like tiny specks or cobwebs drifting in your field of vision, but they are not external particles. They exist inside the eye itself. These floaters are actually small clusters of cells or bits of the gel-like substance within the eye. The inside of your eyeball is filled with a gel-like substance called the vitreous humor. This clear gel helps maintain the eye's shape and allows light to pass through to the retina. As we age, the vitreous humor can change. It starts to liquefy and shrink, causing it to pull away from the retina. It becomes more liquid in some areas, and tiny fibers can clump together. These clumps are what we see as floaters. These clumps cast shadows on the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye. The shadows are what create the visual effect of floaters. It's these shadows that we perceive as floaters. They can appear as dots, lines, or even intricate shapes. The movement of floaters is also due to the vitreous humor. When the gel moves, the floaters drift along with it. When your eye moves, the vitreous gel and the floaters within it move as well. This is why floaters seem to dart away when you try to look at them directly. Floaters are most noticeable when you're looking at a bright, uniform background, such as a clear sky or a white wall. The uniformity makes the shadows stand out more. This is because the contrast between the bright background and the shadows cast by the floaters makes them more apparent. So next time you see those tiny specks, you'll know the science behind them. While floaters are shadows cast by debris in the vitreous humor, there's another fascinating visual phenomenon you might have experienced. It's something that often catches people by surprise. Have you ever seen tiny, bright blue dots moving across your vision, especially against a blue sky? These dots seem to dance and flicker, creating a mesmerizing effect. This is called the blue field entoptic phenomenon, and it's not caused by floaters. Instead, it's a unique interaction within your eyes. These dancing blue dots are actually white blood cells moving through the capillaries in front of your retina. The phenomenon is a direct result of the way light interacts with these cells. The capillaries are so small that the white blood cells need to squeeze through them one at a time. This squeezing action is what makes the dots appear to move. This creates a temporary gap in the blood flow, allowing you to see the plasma, which appears as a bright blue dot. The plasma is the liquid part of your blood, and it stands out against the blue sky. It's amazing to think that we can actually see our own blood cells moving through our eyes. This phenomenon is a beautiful reminder of the intricate and fascinating workings of our bodies. Most floaters are harmless and are simply a normal part of aging. They often appear as small specks or cobweb-like structures that drift about when you move your eyes. These floaters are usually caused by tiny pieces of the eye's gel-like vitreous breaking loose within the back portion of the eye. However, a sudden increase in the number of floaters, especially if accompanied by flashes of light or a loss of peripheral vision, can be a sign of a more serious problem. This could indicate a retinal detachment or other significant eye conditions that require immediate medical attention. If you experience any sudden changes in your vision, it's essential to see an eye doctor immediately. Early detection and treatment can prevent potential vision loss and ensure your eyes remain healthy. Eye floaters and the blue field entoptic phenomenon offer a glimpse into the intricate workings of our eyes and the brain's role in processing visual information. These phenomena highlight the complex relationship between our sensory organs and the brain. These tiny visual intruders remind us that our perception of the world is a complex interplay between our biology and the external environment. They serve as a fascinating reminder of the delicate balance and intricate design of our visual system.